Hello everyone, welcome to Nails of Interest. I hope you're having a good day out there. If you're new here, please hit subscribe down below and click the little bell to be notified of my uploads. Today I have hopefully a beautiful gel polish set sent to me by Modelones. It's another one of their nail art gift boxes, and I believe this is called Glitter Red Ray Nude Colors. I will have it on the screen and I'll have the link down below along with my code of NOI15 to save 15%. But if you click the link, it should apply the code automatically, and there's tons of sales going on at Modelones all the time, especially right now. There's tons of them. I can't get over how many sales they're having. And I believe, oh, and I saw on there that they now ship in 5 days. And yes, I received my products within 5 days. It may have been 4 days. It was so fast. I'm stunned. This is how they appear just coming out of the box. So it appears to be 2 glitter colors from what you can tell on the label. I love how the labels are kind of giving you a hint of what's inside. Okay, first off is the Modelones Leaf U. This is 1082. I'll have the name, the color number on the screen. You want to put 2 coats on always, cure in between unless you're going for a different artistic look. But for longevity, you'd want 2 coats. Okay. Oh yeah, these are 10 milliliter bottles like they usually have. 8664. And always, you just got them shipped to you. Give them a good stir. This one is 8663. Also, if you'd like to see a video on how I made these nails, it'll be linked up in the upper right hand corner of the video. This is 8662. Now this is a bit of a bolder color for this collection. I will cure all these in my lamp for 30 seconds. Some of the mini lamps require 45 seconds. I'll place a second coat on and I will cure them for another 30 seconds and give them a top coat. Okay, onto the beautiful glitter colors. I know they're beautiful. I love glitter, so everything glitter is beautiful to me. 8666. This has mostly a clear base with tons of glittery goodness. So this most people would use as a topper. And I may, in the final pictures, I may put this over a couple of the other colors so that you can see what it looks like as a topper as well. So stay tuned to the end of the video for the pictures. And this one's 8661. Ooh. It's a tiny little glitter with this gorgeous purple base to it. Oh, I love it. I don't have anything at all like this. I love it. Oh, gorgeous. I'm sure it's a sheer enough base maybe that you could use it as a topper as well. Okay, let me give these all a cure in my lamp, a second coat, and let's see what they look like. Okay, I have all 6 colors with 2 coats cured, top coated with glossy top coat. You could do matte top coat on these too. They might look stunning, especially grays tend to look really gorgeous. But I wanted to try and go ahead and give you an idea of what this, which is 8666, looks like on a couple of these colors. I don't know myself. Maybe that'll work, maybe it won't work. Maybe it'll look like maybe it'll look gorgeous. I'm thinking these 2 is gonna look gorgeous on. And you could just fade it in, or you could just do a whole light coat. So I'm probably gonna do variations of that. Oh yes. So you could do like a couple nails in each way. That would be gorgeous. I'm thinking we'll do most of them that way. I'm kind of almost dry brushing it on this nail just to give it like a scattered effect. I didn't put any more on my brush, and I'm just manipulating the glitters to go where I want them to go. I mean, you could actually like take a negative space out of it or something. I've never done that. Thicknesses so that you can just get an idea of what it could look like. And I have pictures of it in without the glitter, with the glitter at the end of the video. You know what? I want to see if this one has any effect. This one again is 861. Just gonna do like a little tip. Didn't have this planned out at all. I've even got a different, it's not really an ombre brush. See how you can get different effects. Is it effects or effects? I don't really know. Or you could just go ahead and wipe it and get the whole nail, just a little bit of glitter. That's pretty cool. So you can use both of the glitters as a topper or solo. I love that. I'm gonna give these a cure again and top coat and take some pictures. So you're gonna have a ton of pictures at the end of this video. Thank you everyone for watching. I really appreciate it. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think of these colors. Let Model 1s know what you think of these colors. They do read the comments and they love the feedback. Thank you everyone. Have a great day. Till next time, you be you and I'll be me. Bye bye.